Hello guys, welcome to Magical Drawing Adventure where you guys can learn and you guys can having fun with drawing. Alright, let's get started. Start your stuff. Okay, now we going to draw lychee, the fruit. So at the first you need to make like this, and then like this. Right. Because lychee is like a circle, and then if you're not sure how to make a circle properly, so I will suggest you to draw with something first like this, maybe like to help you to get a circle line. So I will do like this first, so like this. Right. Okay, it's nice. Hopefully you can see guys from there. Right. And once you can see this line, this imaginary line, so then you can continue using the black color. So now I will move like this. From here, lychee is something like this, so give like a small wave like this. Also here, 1 2 3 4, like this small wave. Right, then after that from here you can go like this, then like this. Right, perfect. Okay, then the next one, you make the upper part, I mean the lower part. So from here you can just go like this. All right, all the way like this, and then like this. Okay, right, after this you need to give some eyes, and yeah, this is the important part and the most favorite part for me. So you can give a circle here like this, then here also like this. Right, then after that you can just give a small circle inside as the same small circle inside, and give a black color this part. Right, then this part also. Okay, looks pretty nice. Right guys. Okay, then after that you put some mouth over here like this, like smiley mouth like this. Right, okay, then the next one I will give this color here. So this is like the shy, and to make your throat looks more cute. Right. All right, the next one I will give some color here. Okay, I will speed up the video. Enjoy the process and follow the video. Right, let's go guys. Alright guys, this is the final result of lychee fruit. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys learning something today, and see you in the next video. Bye bye guys, thank you so much. Bye bye.